Hello everyone, here we brings you again a geometry problem from NMTC Junior Level 1. Interesting one. Here we have been given in the given figure OA and OB are two perpendicular radii. This is OA and OB, OA and OB, these are the two perpendicular radii. With A as a center and OA as radius, an arc is drawn to cut the circle at C. With taking A as center and OA as radius, we will be drawing an arc which will cut the circle at point C. Then we will have BC cut OA at D. This, if we join BC, this will cut OA at D. Then we need to find angle ADC. That's X, and that's the value of X which we need to find in this problem. A very interesting question and an interesting solution for this one. Before moving to the solution, if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more such videos. Let's see the solution for this one. We will connect AC since we have been given that A is the center of a circle, and taking OA as this radius, we will be drawing a circle here. So if we will be drawing a circle, this OA distance will be equals to AC distance, and which will also be equals to OC. Since OA is the radius of this given circle, so OC will be also equal to the same length, and OC will also be equal to that. From this, we can conclude that OA equals to OC equals to CA. That means this is an equilateral triangle with all angles at 60 degree. Now, we can see that triangle BOC is an isosceles triangle since OC and OB are equal, and angle BOC, which we can calculate very easily, this is 60 plus 90 since these two radius were perpendicular to each other. This angle was 90 degree. So from here, this complete angle comes out to be 150 degree in this isosceles triangle. So that's why angle B, this angle small angle B and this angle OCD will be equal. So we can very easily calculate this angle OCD, that comes out to be 15 degree. This is by calculating 180 degree minus 150 degree, divide by 2, both these angles will be of 15 degree. Now we need this one, so that we have marked this one. Now since this is 15 degree, this complete angle OCA was 60 degree. With the help of these two information, we can calculate angle DCA very easily. That comes out to be 45 degree by subtracting this 15 degree from this complete 60 degree. Now, since we have this angle as 45 degree, in triangle DCA, we will apply the angle sum property, and since we need to find the angle X, we can apply the angle sum property. 45 plus x plus 60 degree is equals to 180 degree. From here we get the value of x as 180 degree minus 105 degree, that comes out to be 75 degree. This is the value of x which we need to find as 75 degree. That's the answer for this problem. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.